Welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another video. Today my topic is LG brand commercial washer. This washing machine having so many options and so many program system, everything that is card function and coin options and OPL system, everything with this machine. Today my topic is how to change the water level. This is the topic today with this machine. This machine having three options: water level, that's mean yellow low water level, and 3.1 DD also high water level. These three options we can select how whatever as per our requirement. And now I'm going to show you how to change, how to select that water level options. Now I will go to the next step and I will show you. Now I already given power connection. It is already with this machine. It will show setup mode. That's mean LQC1. This is setup mode. Now I'm going to show you how to change the water level. That is, earlier I told you it is three steps, three options are with this machine. Now first of all I have to press hot button here, hot selector, and it will come TEST. After that we have to select warm or cool until appear to set up option. Now I'm pressing this one, again I will press, it will come setup. After that I have to start, I have to press start button here. It will show R9PR until appear R9PR. I have to press. Yeah, it's automatically it came R9PR. After that I have to press again cool or warm water button until appear WLE. Again I will press, again I will press, again I will have to press, again I have to press, again until appear WLE. Yeah, it came already WLE. After that I have to press again start button. It will come CO51. Here it came already. Again I have to press cool or cool button, which is we need require option, that mean hot, warm, cool or delegate, any other as per our requirement. We have to select 51. The 52 mean actually warm water, warm course. Again I have to press 53. 53 mean cool, and 54 mean delegate. 55 means only the heat option. I am selecting here 50, again 51. That's mean hot. Otherwise I can select 52, which is cool option. After that again I have to press start button. It will come high. Again I have to press, again I have to press warm or cool button. It's already came, I told you before, it is three options it will show. This is 31 DD. Otherwise again I will press, it will come low. After that it will come high. I'm keeping high. After that again I have to press start button. At that time it will show CO52. I am keeping until 52. Now it is already selected. Now next option, otherwise next program, it will come automatically. This is the way how to select in this machine water level options. Now I select high option. also 52, that's mean warm courses, warm water. Now this is the way how to select that one. Now I think you learned something, and again I will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel.